We'll continue with page number 6, solved problem, example number 2. Okay. I've told you problems will not come beyond 2 marks, so don't worry, lengthy calculations will not come. Look here, what is the example saying? And I'll show you the way we solve it. In the above example, assuming that the bench on which Mahendra is sitting is frictionless, meaning you need not consider the frictional force here, because frictional force also has a formula. They have already mentioned that you have to take frictional force as 0. Starting with 0 velocity means given is initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0, students. Starting with 0 velocity, what will be Mahendra's velocity of motion towards Virat after 1 second? Okay. Will this velocity change with time, and how? Now let's concentrate here what I am doing here. See here, first of all, to find what the final velocity here. Now we have mass of Mahendra. See here, we'll put here like this. From the Newton's second law of motion, we have force is equal to mass of Mahendra into acceleration. Students, F is equal to ma. This is Newton's second law. Newton's second law. To find final velocity after 1 second, from the Newton's second law of motion, we have F is equal to ma. Force is mass into acceleration. This is Newton's second law of motion, don't forget. Okay. Now, what is mass of Mahendra from previous problem? It is 75 kg. Okay, done. F, force of gravitation upon kiti, force of attraction between Mahendra and Virat. In the textbook they had given it as andaze 4 into 10 raised to, I'll not take the other numbers mulano, because complicated calculations will not come, don't worry. Now mass of Mahendra is 75 kg. Force is 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 Newton. Therefore, F is equal to mass of Mahendra is 75 multiplied by A. Therefore, what is A? F upon 75. What is F? 4. 4 divided by 75 into 10 raised to minus 7. What is the concept here? 4 upon 75 will be on approximately how much here? Look. Okay. Andaze, if your tables tell you it is approximately 5. Are you okay here? So this is 375. This is round about 0.5 येतं. 75 5 0.5 येतं. पुढचे नंबर्स काय घेण्याच्या भानगडीत पडू नका. So this is 0.5 meters per second square is your acceleration. Why we need acceleration? Now from kinematical equations you have learnt in school level मुलांनो. Kinematical equations म्हणतात त्याला. They are V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. These are the three important kinematical equations. Which are they? V is equal to u plus at, which I will be using now. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. And S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Why am I using this here? Because already initial velocity is 0. Acceleration we have calculated it as 0.5. Time interval is just 1 second. It's given in the problem. Therefore, students, what is V? Final velocity 0.5 meter per second. This is your final velocity here. What is the problem saying? Will this velocity change with time, and how? Students, let me clear. Force of gravitation is inversely proportional to square of the distance. Mahendra is approaching Virat. Mahendra and Virat are separated by a suitable distance due to acceleration, because acceleration is not 0, students. Acceleration basic meaning is increase in velocity. Means Mahendra will approach Virat with a greater velocity. How do you say greater? because Mahendra is undergoing acceleration. Acceleration basically means increase in velocity. So as Mahendra moves towards Virat with increasing velocity, naturally the distance decreases. As the distance decreases, force increases. Why? Because force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So as the distance decreases, force increases. So force of attraction increases. Hence the velocity further increases. जर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन वाढला, इट्स अ बोनस मुलांनो. एक तो velocity is increasing and apart from that, due to decrease in distance, the force of gravitation exerted on Mahendra is also increasing and hence the velocity increases. That's it. That is the conclusion here. What we are going to do? We are going to use F is equal to ma, that is Newton's second law, and the kinematical equation which you have learnt in your lower classes, that is V is equal to U plus AT, because that here is applicable in this particular formula. That formula can be used. There are some problems which demand S is equal to UT plus half AT square. There are some problems which demand the formula V square is equal to U square plus 2AS and all that. Here it is more than enough. Okay? This is problem number 2. Now I will explain the Earth's gravitational force. Students, काय मोठं नाही आहे हे. Earth's gravitational force, and then we'll continue with some more problems. What is this Earth's gravitational force here? You have observed one thing in nature, that any body thrown in a vertically upward direction moves after reaching a certain height from the Earth's surface. After reaching a certain height from the Earth's surface, the final velocity becomes 0 and the body again comes down towards the Earth's surface. Why? It is because of the Earth's gravitational force, which continuously acts on the body as it ascends in the vertically upward direction. So, as the body moves in the vertically upward direction, Earth's gravitational force, which is called in normal language gravity, it pulls it down. Since it pulls it down continuously, the velocity reduces, goes on reducing. As the body moves higher and higher and higher and higher, the velocity goes on becoming lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser, and finally the velocity becomes 0. Once the velocity is 0, students, the body will again come down. Is it okay? The body will again come down. Why? Because Earth pulls it back. कारण Earthचं कामच ते आहे. That's it. Students, एक point गाठ बांध लो. As the body moves in the vertically upward direction, initial velocity is maximum. Final velocity is 0. But as the body moves in the vertically downward direction, initial velocity is 0 but final velocity is maximum. ह्या दोन points गाठ बांध लो because they are very important. कि whenever a body is thrown in the vertically upward direction, initial velocity of the body is maximum. Final velocity is 0, and vice versa is the case when the body is thrown in the vertically downward direction. That's it. Okay? Now I'll go to solved example, page number example 1 delay, page number 7. Concentrate. What is it given here? Given, calculate the gravitational force due to Earth on Mahendra. मला वाटतं त्या टेक्स्टबुकवाल्याला पण महेंद्र सिंग धोनी आवडतं. ते महेंद्रवर चढलं सगळी गाडी. लुक हियर, कॅल्क्युलेट द ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स ड्यू टू अर्थ ऑन महेंद्र. मास ऑफ महेंद्र इज 75 kg. Okay, in the earlier example. Now here we are supposed to find what? To find what? The gravitational force of Earth exerted on Mahendra. For that we should know the mass of Earth. This is M, subscript M stands for Mahendra. Capital M stands for mass of Earth, which is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Distance is distance between Mahendra and Earth's center, which is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter, which is the Earth's radius, student. These are all constants. तुम्ही शिकून झाल्यानंतर बाहेर करा हे values, because in exams they may give or not, I am not sure. Mass of Mahendra will be given, but mass of Earth is constant, and that is always 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter always. So you have to by heart this, because they may or they may not be given. ठीक है? Now, from the Newton's law of gravitation, not motion, the force of attraction formula, F is equal to capital G, mass of Mahendra, mass of earth divided by r square. डालो values, F is equal to capital G, 6.67, 10 raised to minus 11 value always fixed. Mass of Mahendra 70